Hello everyone, this is Fatima Khalid. I'm MS student at School of Life Sciences, Anhui Agricultural University, Hefei, China. Today the topic of my presentation is production of industrially important enzyme protease from Bacillus valezensis Y1 strain isolated from the manure of piglets. So moving forward, first of all, I will give you the brief introduction of the enzyme and this bacterial species. So, as we all know that enzymes are most efficient biocatalysts, they provide numerous benefits as compared to traditional chemical catalysts. So, they are considered as environmental friendly and cost alternative to the chemical catalysts used in the industry. The enzymes from Bacillus valezensis have been verified to be the key substance to inhibit the parasitic harmful fungus and bacteria both in plants and animals. So, as a novel biocontrol bacterium, Bacillus has been widely used as a biological control agent in agricultural field due to its strong ability to suppress other pathogenic bacteria. Here you can see a 3D model of protease enzyme. Next, what are the objectives of this study? So, some series of the known protease aren't enough to accomplish the industrial demand of enzymes. So, the study of protease production from Bacillus valezensis has extremely important industrially value. In order to industrialize this enzyme, this study aimed to optimize different fermentation conditions for protease isolated from the manure of piglets. Moving on, the enzyme properties were investigated and its genes were cloned. So, what are the materials and methods that were used in this study? First of all, what we did was we prepared an LP culture medium. All the equipments used in the experiment were sterilized, and all the experimental steps were performed quickly so to prevent contamination. And the isolated bacterial colony was subjected to morphological analysis by smear preparation, gram staining, followed by microscopic examination. And then genomic DNA was extracted using a bacterial DNA extraction kit according to the manual um, followed by the given on the extraction kit. And then application of the 16S ribosomal gene was done by using primers. Bacterial culture in the fermentation medium was continuously centrifuged to obtain a crude enzyme. And the activity of protease was determined by Folin phenol method, and optimization was done for fermentation of different parameters such as temperature, time, pH, liquid load, carbon to nitrogen ratio. And then orthogonal test for optimization of fermentation conditions was carried out, and each factor was designed with 3 experimental levels to avoid any mistake. Here is a graphical representation of the method. So we used solid state fermentation for the optimization of different fermentation conditions like temperature, time, pH, liquid load, carbon to nitrogen ratio, so on. And then the enzyme production was done. So what we conclude from this study? A strain producing protease identified as Bacillus valezensis Y1 was isolated from the manure of piglets. High yield of remarkably important biocatalyst protease was obtained by optimizing different conditions by using solid state fermentation, and it is considered industrially important. So, there is only a little research on this strain to be used as probiotic in animal feed as for the replacement of antibiotics for which our bodies has developed resistance. And we hope that in the near future, research on the replacement of antibiotics by Bacillus thuringiensis in animal feed will be reported by our laboratory. Thank you for your attention.